this fund keeps going down, and at this point it's very hard to know for most people whether it's a good time to buy or is a good time to sell, or should you what should you do. So what I look on this channel, I always look at the numbers and expose those numbers and for you to make your own decisions. So today we're going to look at DFN, Dividend 15 Split Corp. So look at the today's update, the stock. We're going to look at this price of today. We're going to look at the fundamental, the technical of this particular fund, and we're going to look at the valuation, which is net asset value that just came up on their website. So again, if it's your first time, just make sure you subscribe, and if you like my content, don't forget to give me a like. So let's start. So today market overall was really bad. Most stocks went down, and S&P 500, the TSX, everything was pretty much down. Few stocks were up. But we look at the Dividend 15 Split Corp itself, it went down by 8%, and now that represents about 32 cents, and right now is at 350. This for me was a kind of price I was really hoping it would get, so I can start putting some money. That's exactly what I was waiting for, but now I'm kind of like a little greedy. I wanted to go even further down. Maybe I can buy more, but I don't know if it's going to go down more, because what I'm saying now is because of this. Look at this Dividend 15 split. Let's go to max all time. Look, in 2008 market crash, if you don't remember, that was the worst, almost one of the worst time of market crash in North America. The stock went down to only $5. That's all it went down, right? And then it went back up to almost $11, and then it kept that way all the way to, it crashed again. It went also lowest again in 2000 in June 2016, just a little bit. And then the lowest it got from that point was in 2020. That was COVID market crash. It went down to only 402. So today it just broke that record. Now it went all the way to 350. Actually, at one point it went all the way to 347. If you look at that on a daily daily move. So 52-week high is from 347 to 309. So right now is at the lowest point it has ever been. So this is very interesting, whether you should buy or you should sell, whether you should just be on the sideline and wait, maybe it falls down more, or we wait till it goes up. I'm going to give you the number that will kind of, give you a little bit of, heads up. So let's go at the technical. Before I get you evaluation of today, I'm going to go on a technical analysis. So if we look at this, Dividend 15 Split Corp, DFN at 350 right now, minus 8 percentage, which is 32 cents. We look at the days range, 347 to 376, and of course 52 is 347, which is the lowest it has ever been since it was incepted in 2004. And it went all the way to $8 at one point between these 52 weeks. We look at the volume, it's almost 1 million. This is the highest volume I've ever seen. So that's the volume of sellers now buying, because whenever you see the highest volume like this, and the stock went down, there are a lot of sellers. People been selling these stocks. That's why you see the high volume, but stock doesn't went down, right? Because if the volume is higher and the stock is up, that means more people are buying, but this indicates that most people are selling. Bid ask spread was 350 to 351. Let's look at the technicals. This is not something that you really can see in most places. This is the data that I have on my end here, which is a paid data where I can give a pretty analysis. So if you have any question on any stock or any fund, just make sure you leave a comment below, because I can go deeper and analyze on a monthly, on a weekly, on 52, all the moving averages. So we look at the technical indicators, right? So we look at a strong sell. We look at summary, between a strong sell, natural buy, or strong buy, It indicates between strong sell and sell, so it's a strong sell. We look at the moving average is also a strong sell because the buying is 0 or 12. This is the analysis that are telling you, okay, 12 analysts believe you should sell. There's only one natural say, just hold, and some other people say sell. Some other people say sell. There's one neutral. So summary is a strong sell. There's more numbers here, but we don't have to go all those numbers. These are the main one I just want to show you. There's also profitability and the income. We're not going into those today, but that's just kind of what I want to show you today. So should you sell or should you buy based on these numbers? That's really up to you. If you hold the stock and think, this fund, which is technically mutual fund or closed-end mutual fund, if you are holding it for a long time and you think it's going to be up, then not necessarily maybe to sell, because if you sell today, you might lose money. You might just go up, right? Or if it's a buying opportunity, should you buy? And this, according to indicator, says sell, not buying. But this, it's not, this is not science. It's just technical indicators. It might be wrong, or anything can change. And of course, this will go back to buy. So you just don't go just based on these numbers, but this is just kind of indicates and kind of guide you a little bit where to go. Maybe you can start buying a little bit today, and I would love to go. I love it stock to actually go on $3 even. Then I will buy more. I think this is a good opportunity. But before buying, just look at value. Right now it's $3.50. Is it really value to buy this? So Quadravest, which is a company that provide this fund or split fund, they're very behind when it comes to updating their net asset value, because technically all mutual funds on all these splits fund, they technically have to update on a daily basis. So when the stock closes, then they update on the website the next following day. Next trading day would reflect the current NAV. But when it comes to Quadravest, they're actually really behind. So the last time they updated was on September 15th, and now actually just recently they updated again on September 30th. So what I noticed is like every 15 days they do update. So they update on the 30th or 29th, which was a Friday. So the net asset value right now is a 14.33. So look at this number, which is 14.33 as net asset value. We can do our calculation that we did before to get actual valuation. How much discount, if you buy today, how much discount are you getting from DFN? So we can take a 14.33 minus $10. So we have 4.33 left. So we take 3.50, the price of today, minus divide by 4.33 minus 1 equal to 19 times 100. So we are getting valuation today. This particular stock is down right now, or is value, you're getting minus 19%. So you're buying, it's like someone are selling you something that's on sale for close to 20%. That's what this number represent. So according to the NAV, if this NAV stay accurate and based on their valuation, it seems that DFN right now is at value. But when it comes to indicator, it tells you a very strong sell. When it comes to chart, it looks like this is the lowest it has ever been. So with all this information, it's up to you what to do with this particular information I'm providing to you. But if it's your first time and you want to keep getting update and stay in the loop, just make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to give you all these numbers and update on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, whenever there's a very important update on this fund or any other type of fund that you are following. If you have any question, leave a comment below. Till we meet again on next video. Bye bye.